Grand Bayview is full of all the seafood variety. Let's dive in. Now we are in JB. So these are all the seafood. Wow, you can see so many seafood here. Hey, our friend Irene, hello. And
It's my farm spider.
oh, so okay. Look at the seafood, man. Oh, a lot of seafood here. Oh, you can see a lot of seafood here. Oh my god. They have the crabs. Wow. Crabs. And the lobsters. Wow. Looks fresh. The lobsters. Oh my god, look at those lobsters. Wow. Oh my god, giant crab. Heaven. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna find a place to sit. Wow, look at the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen. Wow. They are preparing all the dishes. Look at the chef. This place is basically very colorful and full of lights. So we have the seashell, we have the prawn, we have the crab, and the crab we eat with mantau. So we have two different types of crab. We have the chili crab and the salted egg crab, and also we have the long beans over here. And let's have a great dinner.
Hi.
So the dinner was really great. So I'll see you guys. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. Now, so I got these cookies. Tomorrow I'll be walking around this area. This area is very strategic. You can actually go for the whole buildings. Wow, this is my hotel view. You can see the whole JB. So below it's a bit jammed because people are all heading to Singapore. Because towards on the right side is the causeway to Singapore.